Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to make it super easy for you. Today, we're tackling how to send crypto from Robinhood on desktop in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, Robinhood has made sending your assets straightforward and secure. Whether you're transferring Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported crypto, this guide will have you covered in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood account on your desktop browser. If you haven't already, head to the Robinhood website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Crypto section. It's usually right on the main dashboard or under the Invest tab. This is where all your digital assets are listed. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Click on the specific asset, like Bitcoin, and you'll see a detailed overview. Look for the Transfer or Send button. It's prominently displayed. Before proceeding, double-check that you have the recipient's wallet address ready. Accuracy is key here to avoid any costly mistakes. Next, click on Send and enter the wallet address of the person or exchange you're transferring to. Robinhood might ask you to specify the amount and could show you estimated fees. Always review these to ensure they're what you expect. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for security, you'll need to verify this step. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm to finalize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and you can track the status in your Robinhood account. Remember, transaction times can vary based on network congestion, so be patient. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases. In 2025, with enhanced security features on Robinhood, you're in good hands, but staying vigilant is crucial. There you have it. That's how you send crypto from Robinhood on desktop. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep building that crypto portfolio.